Hey everyone! In this video, we will guide you on how to use the collaborative board. To access the collaborative board, simply click on the board icon or ensure it's open by default when the session starts. The teacher has to give permission to collaborate on the board. By default, you will not have any permission to write or draw on the board. Let's explore the drawing tools first. Click on the pen icon to reveal options for pen and highlighter with different thickness settings. You can also choose your preferred color from the color palette. Need to erase something? Click on the eraser icon and select your preferred erasing method: normal erase, object erase, or area erase. Object erase will erase the entire object, while the area erase erases the objects in the selected area or portion. Use the shape icon to draw basic shapes like rectangles, triangles, circles, and straight lines. Click on the text tool to write some text on the canvas and customize text properties such as color, alignment, font, size, bold, italics, and underline. Adding images or videos is easy. Click on the import icon and choose from the library, internet, or local files. If you choose the library option, you'll find all the image content categorized according to grades and subjects. Simply click on the desired image to add it to the canvas. To search and add images or videos from the internet, type in the search term for the image or video you want to add. Then, click on the search result to add it to the canvas. Similarly, you can add images or video files from your system to the canvas. Just select the file you want to add, and it will be imported into the canvas. You can even change the background of the board to suit your preference. You can change to white, green, grid, 2-liner, and 4-liner page backgrounds. By default, it will be in black background. You can play back the entire session, create new pages, navigate between pages, and delete unwanted pages. Exporting your board is simple. Click on the export icon to save your board as an image, PDF, or Roombr board file. You can open the Roombr board file later by clicking on Open File option. In addition to these features, you can undo and redo actions, zoom in and zoom out, and view the board in full screen mode. You can lock an object to prevent it from moving and readjusting the size. Flip option allows the user to rotate the object to 90 degrees. Duplicate allows the user to clone the same object. Send to back feature allows the user to send back the image to the back of any other object. Bring to front allows the user to bring a particular object on top of any other object in the canvas. Rotate. Users can also rotate an object by 360 degrees by pressing on the blue arrow icon. Similarly, they can resize an object by clicking on the white dot icon on the object. They can increase or decrease the size of an object. Lastly, when you're done with the board, simply click on the Close button to exit.